Hi everybody and welcome. I am Candice, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you can find me over at Candice's Design Studio. So today I am hopping along in the Go for Grease blog hop, which is a blog hub that is put on monthly by fellow demonstrators who are trying to earn the trip to Greece for this year. It's a very fun group. I've been enjoying my time listening to other and learning from other demonstrators and what works and what doesn't work in their business and some tips and things like that. So for my card today, I am using the Lilypad Lakes stamp set. This has become one of my favorite stamp sets in the catalog. I am actually casing another fellow demonstrator. I know her first name is Linda. There's a part of me that wants to say, I don't remember her last name, but you can find her over at Stamping School. And it was a beautiful card that she made, and I wanted to case it, but I did add my own sentiment, and I added in some extra color that she didn't have on her sample. So this is the card that we are making. Okay, so you are going to need a piece of black cardstock for your card base. And by the way, all dimensions and supplies will be on my blog. On my blog, you will find a link a sentence that says, click here, get your tutorial in the gallery. And if you click on the word tutorial, the tutorial should pop up automatically. And if you click on the gallery, you will see pictures of all the cards, well, not all the cards that I've posted, I'm still posting there, but you will find today's post, and when you click on it, the tutorial will pop up there also. So you're going to need a piece of the Glossy cardstock, and this is 3.5 by 3.5, and I'm using the Mango Melody and Flirty Flamingo. So when I was doing this, I actually had intended on, just made a ink boo-boo here. I had actually intended on going through every step of this card with you. But while I was filming, my daughter called me and interrupted my filming. And I didn't feel like having to put the video together, so I just started refilming. So a lot of my die cutting and things like that have already been done, but I wanted to share with you this technique of making a sunset with glossy paper. And so here I'm just starting and I'm going inward. And I'm going to keep some of it white. And I'm not really paying attention of how this goes. Let's see. Okay. So you want to make sure that this is going to fit your 3-inch square. 3-inch circle die. I do want to make sure I get a little bit more over here. Okay. So then you're going to grab your Flirty Flamingo. And with the Flirty Flamingo, you're only going to do the outside. Okay, and then I'm just going to grab a little bit more of the Mango Melody and just come on in. I'm going to fill it in so that way that could be the lightest area. Okay, then taking the largest circle framelit from the layering circles framelit. You're going to cut out this image here. Oh, I'm about to say I already had it done. And then this is what you're going to have. Okay. So then on your Whisper White is a part of the bundle here. You have this little wave piece that when it will cut into your paper like this. So I already did that. Okay. So when you're placing this down on your piece of Bermuda Bay here, you're going to see the water coming through. But I wanted to expose that a little. Let me see, I hope this is the right, yeah, the right sponge. And using some of the soft sea foam. Let me see if I got a scratch piece here that I can lay up underneath here. No, I don't. Ooh, I'm not wasting that. Okay. I'll just use this. And I'm using soft sea foam. And I'm just brushing over lightly over those waves. Okay. And so now I'm going to layer this over my Bermuda Bay. Okay. I'm just going to use some of this here to get okay. And we're going to layer this okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp the sentiment, be calm and leave it to God. Actually, this sentiment is the reason why I ended up getting this bundle, because I just loved the sentiment. Make sure that this is straight. Okay, and I'm going to add this here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want our sunset to go underneath the water. Now everything on this card is going to lay flat. Okay. There we go. Then I already die cut my E grade, and upgrading this one to add in I think I wanted to add some of that in. Okay. Like if you really wanted to add like a pop of dimension, you could probably add one of the mini glue dots behind the head. Let me see. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, and I'm just trying to. Okay, trying to get this up without tearing it. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna add on actually. That's actually stuck. So let's see if we can get a. Okay, there we go. Okay, I feel like I'm beginning that I made a mess of this, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. Okay, so now we're gonna add this to our card. Okay. Now because this is black on the inside, we're going to layer these two together. And then we're going to add this to the inside of our card. Okay, and then that completes our card. Okay, so I think it came out okay. Had a little bit of a hiccup, but that is okay. So thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to hop along to see the other demonstrators' amazing projects, and I will see you again soon. Alrighty, bye-bye.